What if I told you that breaking free from addiction isn't about willpower? It's about rewiring your brain. Addiction isn't just drugs or alcohol. It's the late-night TikTok binges, the sugar cravings you can't shake, or that toxic relationship you keep running back to. And here's the brutal truth: 52 million Americans struggle with some form of addiction. But today I'm handing you the blueprint to break free, using psychology, not punishment. Let's hack your brain. Your addiction isn't a bad habit, it's a dopamine loop. Every addiction starts with a trigger: stress, boredom, loneliness, followed by the hit, the addiction itself, and a temporary reward. The brain then craves that shortcut to pleasure again and again. To break the loop, you need to map yours. Grab your phone right now and type, "When I addiction, I'm really avoiding." Neuroscience shows cravings peak at 72 hours. If you can survive 3 days, you've already won half the battle. But here's the hack: replace the addiction with a dopamine detox. Delete the apps, toss the junk food, block their number, and for 72 hours, flood your brain with natural highs. Cold showers, intense workouts, or even screaming into a pillow. Your brain will fight you, but this is how you reset its wiring. Stanford researchers prove that addiction recovery fails when you focus on quitting. Instead, replace the ritual: vaping, chew cinnamon sticks, doom scrolling, do 10 push-ups every time you pick up your phone. Your brain craves the routine, not the addiction itself. Trick it with a healthier. Sarah replaced her wine addiction with sunrise runs. She didn't quit, she upgraded. And you're next. Addiction is a chapter, not your story. Smash subscribe, and let's write your comeback together.